Ready to transform your life and hit $10K months? Let's make it happen, starting today. Imagine looking back a year from now and saying, that's when everything changed. Join us for a 3-day live workshop on December 3rd, 4th, and 5th, and let's build your online business together. Even if you've never sold anything online before, we've got you. This workshop isn't just about building a business, it's about creating freedom, security, and living life on your terms. Here's what you'll get: a step-by-step blueprint for your profitable online business, a simple marketing system that attracts the right customers, strategies to automate and scale so you can earn without sacrificing your time. Bonus: a Day 4, live Quanda to ensure you leave with all the answers you need. Day 1, lay the foundation for a business that attracts and converts. Day 2, build a marketing system that does the selling for you. Day 3, automate and scale your business to consistent success. Every year, people promise next year will be different, but without a plan, nothing changes. Don't let that be you. Step into 2025 with confidence, clarity, and a proven system for success. Black Friday pricing ends soon and seats are limited. Don't wait. Comment details. Hurry, it starts today, 12 p.m. EST.